Welcome to my channel, Getty Gadgets Uganda, the only channel that brings you unique gadgets in Uganda. Today, it's all about Nokia, baby. We are doing Nokia phones today. I'll be showing you the best Nokia phones that are trending in Uganda and available on the market now that you can order. Just check the description, the number is on WhatsApp. I'll be showing you one by one from the cheapest to the highest. You can get them available in Uganda today. On our number one, we have the 105 dual SIM, we have the 105 4G, and then also have this model, the 105 4G, but you can see they are all different. Okay, this is the 105 4G. It is a new type, and also we have the 105. This is the Africa edition, the 105 Africa edition. And also we have the 105 4th edition. Okay, these are all different Nokias but same model. This one has an internet browser, it has a wireless and wired FM radio. That is all it has, and it has a 2 SIM card. It can store up to 2,000 contacts on the storage. This is the 105, the simplified edition, and this goes for only 100,000 Ugandan shillings. This is the 105 dual SIM. Okay, this has 2,000 storage contacts. 2,000, you can see. This is the 105 Africa edition. It can store 2,000 contacts. Okay, on phone storage. It has a 14 hours standby time, talking time. Okay, it has a touch and 1.7 inches display. It has a FM, but you need to use the headsets. This one, you need to use the headset if you are to listen to the radio. This one has the same. It has 2,000 storage contacts. It has FM, but it will need headsets. Alright, and also it has 14 hours talking time. This goes for 60,000. Okay, same as this, it goes for 60,000. These ones go for 60,000. This 105 models. This is the Africa edition, and then the 4G, the 105 4G, they all go for 60,000. Alright, but this one goes for 100,000. I'll just open up the box, see how they look like. The 105 Africa edition, you can see this is for use in specific African countries, so you can get this. Alright, it's 60,000 and it's very good. I'll show you what it comes with and how it looks like. This is it. You can see it is the Nokia 105. It is very portable, it can fit in your hand. Very portable. Yeah, it will come with the battery. Alright, and it comes with the charger also. See, this is the Nokia 105. At 60,000 you can get this. Order it, the number is on the WhatsApp, it is in the description. Okay, on the next one we also have the Nokia 105 4G. Okay, this is the new simplified design. Let's see how it looks like. You can see the design. Okay, these are the two types of Nokia 105. No camera, but just the design changed. Let's check and see what comes with the box. Still nothing changes. You get the charger, and also you get the battery. That is all you get. And this model is at 100,000 Ugandan shillings. 100,000. Now let's go to the next models. The Nokia 125 has a 2.4-inch display. It has a 19 hours running battery, a wireless FM radio, a LED torch, and 2,000 contacts. Okay, you're going to see how it looks like inside. This is how it is. This is the Nokia, okay, 125. You can see it is a bit taller, but as Nokia you can see they make very good sleek designs. This is the Nokia 125. Still, like in the box comes with a battery and it comes with a charger. That is all you get, and the user manual. And also it comes with headsets. This one they give you headsets also. That is the Nokia 125. You can order it at 100,000, just 100,000.
Yes!
The number is in the description. We have the Nokia 110 4G. It has a wireless and wired FM radio. It is a 1.8-inch display. It has a rear camera. Okay, you can do internet browsing, has some games, and it also supports a memory card of up to 32 GB. So we are going to open it up, see how it looks inside. Very cheap price, 100,000 also in Uganda. You order on WhatsApp, on my number. They run out of stock very, very quickly. If you need to gift your parents, you need to gift your co-worker, you need to gift your friends, this is something you could gift someone and they would appreciate. Okay, let's see how they look inside. This is the Nokia 1110 4G. It has a back camera. This is how it comes. It is very, very slick in design and very, very portable. Okay, this is something that you can give your friend and you seem like a thoughtful friend. So look at this, very slick design. This is the Nokia 110 4G. Okay, so let's see what the packaging looks like. So they'll give you headsets, they'll give you a charger, and also a user manual. That is all you get. Okay, this is the Nokia 110 4G. Order it on WhatsApp. The number is in the description. These phones run out very fast, so if you place your order and they're out of stock, I'll be telling you. Right, remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. We have the Nokia 6300 4G. What comes with it has a 2.4-inch display. It can do Wi-Fi hotspot. It has WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google Maps. It has Bluetooth. It has FM radio. Okay, and also it can get up to 32 GB. Okay, it goes for 150,000. It's the Nokia 6300. But if you one of the first people to order it, I'll give it to you at 120,000 Ugandan shillings. This is the Nokia 6000 4G. Let's see how it looks like inside. Looks very nice. You can see. This is the Nokia 6300 4G. Okay. You can see. Looks very, very nice. That's a back camera. It has a wired FM radio. Okay. You have to put headsets for you to be able to listen to the radio. It's very nice and very portable in the hands. Yeah, this is the Nokia 6300 4G. In the box they'll give you headsets. In the box it comes with headsets. It comes with a charger and also a long-lasting battery, 1500 amps. If you work in the office, this is a phone for you. If you are a driver, this is a phone for you. If you work in a market, this is a phone for you. If you want to give someone a gift, this is a phone for you. But I have very few pieces in stock. So order pretty quick. The number is on WhatsApp. It is in the description. Thank you. We give the best Nokias on the market. This is the Nokia 3310 4G. If you are a true Nokia user, you know this phone. It's the Nokia 3310. Okay, and then we have also the Nokia 150 4G. They all have wireless FM radio. Okay, and this one has a 22-hour standby time with a 2 megapixels camera, 32 GB memory card support, and FM radio. And this one has a 2.4-inch display with a 4G connectivity, Bluetooth, 32 GB memory card support, a video camera, MP3 player, Bluetooth. This is also nice. So these are the two best Nokias and they all go for 150,000. Just order, the number is on the description. You can get it anywhere in Uganda. We deliver all around Uganda. Okay, KT Gadgets Uganda, the only channel that you want to stay on if you need unique gadgets and authentic gadgets for you to use around Uganda. Give me a like, subscribe and share. Nokia lovers, I'll be waiting for you.